art, those in power write the history, those who suffer write the songs. Our masters all a godly crew, whose heart throbs for the poor. Their sympathies assure us too, if our demands were fewer. Most generous souls, but please observe, what they enjoy from birth is all we have the nerve to ask. That is, we want the earth. Tháinig Jim Larkin go Béal Feirste óna geantar dúchas Liverpool in 1987. Thosaigh sé ag eagrú na hibrithe neamh-íolte sa gard cumann don céad uair. I Custom House Square bhuail méile amhránaí áitiúil Fergus O'Hare le fáil amach cad a tharla an sin. Do you see the day, well, with sword in its girth, Labour shall march in war array to seize its own the earth. So, Fergus, inistón, cad a tharla do Jim Larkin in Béal Feirste?
Well, nuair a tháinig go Jim Larkin go Béal Feirste, bhí Stailc all-war in san chathair. Stailc leis na ndugairí, leis na ccarraeirí, leis na línteirí gúla, agus ar nói sa deireadh hui na pés ar Stailc. So bhí an ait and a fracas amach.
With children working and people starving, then came Jim Larkin like a mighty wave. The workers cringed when the bosses thundered, and 70 hours was our weekly chore. We asked for little and less was granted, less getting little we might ask for more.
So an Revelon triblód na duggaí?
Bhí nuair a tháinig na langnasteach agus na scabs orthú, rinn na hibrithe a bhí ar Stailc onsaí orthú, bhí siad a caiú clotha agus ahanrod orthú.
Éonrod.
Agus ní raibh na scabs go bunasach abalta na hairí a bhainch in na long go dtí na duggaí. So bhí an troblit an sin. Agus íhuaine a mí bheltainne tharla actar an seo is ráid wearing. Bhí kids acu kids in the scabs a slowny amach, agus bhí siad a gáil couple of pinta Jack Tavern in Hart and Cornwall and sin. Thugad kids to na stalkery fi deireadh go siad an sin. Agus nuair a tháinig na scabs amach ón fub, bhí rachan an seo agus thosaigh tridge. Agus bhí Jim Larkin a gcóirc ón ofiig saige a bhí hís an sin. Tháinig sé an rachan. Agus bhí am seo buin chun na scabs skin amach. Agus saoigh siad birch nó trúir in na stalkery, agus rinn sé onsaí ar Larkin héan. Agus ar nói. Bhí ar Larkin stop a curla sin, agus an sin tháinig na pés agus go siad Larkin.
He raised the workers, he gave us courage. He was our hero, a worker's son. In the month of August, the bosses told us no union man for them could work. But we stood by Larkin and we told the bosses we'd fight or die, but we would not shirk. 8 months we fought and 8 months we starved. We stood by Larkin through thick and thin. But foodless homes and cries of children, they broke our hearts and we could not win.
So ar a hep ar an Stailc in Béal Feirste, leis na hibrithe ag gabháil a leiscéal don fostóirí sever go mbeidh siad ábalta dul ar ais ag obair. Cuaig Larkin go bailíthe clia, agus thosaigh sé ag có-ibriú le halbanach láidir James Connolly, fearr le tuismitheoirí Éireannacha.